Hi TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we're working in this house today, and you can see that it's completely being gutted, so we always suggest to get the sofas done first, and then when you get all the carpets and it looks really nice when it's all done. So let's have a look at it. Yeah, oh, you can see down here, look, it's really bad. So this will need completely sanding back lightly. You can actually feel it there, look, little tiny bit sticking up there. So we'll sand all this back to the natural leather, and then we'll resurface this, recolour it. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, you can see it's really bad. I don't even have to get up close. So you can see there, look. So I think probably we need a miracle here, but I don't think so. These will look absolutely fantastic when we finish. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. If you need to book us, 07904 640 389. After video coming soon, folks, and bye for now. Hi TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we've finished this job again now. Let's have a look at it. So no, we've not replaced the sofas for brand new ones. Have a look down here as well. There you go, look. Not a mark on there anymore. The colour's absolutely spot on. If I take it back here, you can see now, look like brand new sofas. We'll go close down here as well. Look, you can see nice finish on there as well, and it's a solid finish on here as well, so it does actually last, you know, a good few years. And if you use the products that we recommend on there, then it lasts even longer. So if we just take a pan back as well, and you can see now, look, looking absolutely superb. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk, and 07904 640 389 if you want to book us, folks. And bye for now. See you soon.